Reem got another fire video for y'all. Video shoot with Babyfxce. Goddamn, in the A. Just took a little 3-hour drive and shit. Had to get the snacks though, you feel me?
Had to.
I got my boy behind the camera.
Talk to him, man. You see how we pull up poppin', man. We go Redeye, big boy Cubans on me. On Lil Rich _ MOE, man. You know what's going on.
She a little dusty, man. We about to hit the wheels up.
Oh shit, look at the motherfucking wheels.
It's the best water right here, man. It's that shit.
That's that rich nigga water. Water, y'all.
I'm gonna have to use this to wipe these wheels down real quick.
Oh, Lord.
I'm gonna show y'all how to get that bitch a bird bath. Back here get the dirtiest,
Yeah,
bro. As long as you hit that.
Somebody right behind you. Yeah, they get behind you. They see that.
You straight, bro. Hit the wheels real quick, and you got it. You in there. Just a quick little wipe down, you feel me? Don't see too much, you know what I'm saying? The camera, you know I said the camera add 10 pounds?
Yeah, that
take away 10 pounds of dust too, you know what I'm saying? You ain't gonna really see too much going on.
Camera look golden.
Next wheel. Like, look how dirty these, like, I'm embarrassed. Like,
oh, Lord. Difference.
That's all that sliding and shit, bro. These potty rims, though.
Quick little bird bath. Little bird bath with expensive water. Got it. Expensive car with expensive water.
Make sure you wash your ass, though. You know what I'm saying? Only try this on the car.
Only try this on the car. Don't go see your bathroom sink talking about finna take a bird bath for the night.
My boy Aze, shouts out for the opportunity, you know what I'm saying? About to bring some Miss Carolina motion up there and shit. I'm gonna finish fucking these fries up. You know what I'm saying?
So we're gonna have you back at a more.
Camera so glass, we made the color red. You're gonna see the lifestyle from start to finish. You gotta get all this shit on film. You really out here moving on. Bro, that shit reflective. I can see it now. Yeah.
Some effects on. Some effects and shit.
Carolina motion. One not to do.
One more over here, and then we're gonna fill in the space.
Hey, I guess you tell JB to bring his camera in so we can see how it looks.
Okay.
You ain't really gonna hear yourself as much, but just.
I know.
That shit gonna get stuck. He thought it was something like it was somebody else.
Fuck a rubber band. MMPs and 40 cals, I'll bust your head. When you ain't ride yet. Niggas talking about that smoke, but they ain't ride yet. You was just outside with 2Ks in the old tech. This bitch might jam. But that's why I got this glizzy in my other hand. 20 bands and 20s and 10s. Bro face on the news, nigga, don't call again. Cause ain't nobody trying to do no county time again.
Supercharged whining.
313 Mafia.
pillow talking there, nigga, that snitch. I ain't been up on the block in a minute.
He smacked his drone. Look, he smacked his drone. Wait, got hit. Hey, that nigga, he don't even know. He don't even know. It probably ain't that fucked up. I ain't gonna lie.
Nah, that whole wing.
No. I think it's just the wings and shit fucked up. Let me see that pic.
Is it okay?
It'll look that bad.
Nah, I got another one.
I got 3 whips and big dog shit. I remember face wasn't even having nothing. Hop off the whip with 2 sticks on me. I bet you thought I ain't have it on me. I put a box on the back of my gym. Now my shit shoot faster. Yeah, I don't care about the hoes you with. Just know my shit way better. Trucko, Hellcat all black caddy. Yeah, let me know if it's beef. We come press shit like that. I ain't call myself the realest. Heard that shit from other niggas. On that market with all them killers, they tryna make them buttons click. Fredo, that's my cousin. We trap together, now that's my co-defendant. Do that shit yourself, so when you get up, you ain't gotta owe no nigga. Baby, they can't fuck with you. Pop your shit and show these bitches. I ain't tripping about no old hoe, I'm with some coder shit. I ain't got nothing for you to lean on, gang my shoulder stiff. Only thing that's on my head is green like that Frank Ocean nigga. Bitch, yeah. Only thing that's on my head is green like that Frank Ocean nigga. I'll put this stick.
We wrapping that shit up. Good video shoot, good networking and shit like that. Goddamn. Time to get back to the spot.
MOPARS and action, little bitch, you know we slime for MIA. Ride around with fully gloss, slide on who block this, that's the case. Twin got pushed hard on his chart, that bitch hit hard, take off his face. RPMs just skip the gear, it's hard to steer, he dying today. MIA, we up in traffic, MIA, we up in action. Push the wood, we up in action. Batmobile, this bitch, it dash. They say this bitch, shit, yeah, the flashy, yeah, the way I switched